Good. Welcome to Sydney Harbour. Here we are. We're about to go on a journey. Come on, let's go. Pretty well.
Hi everyone, welcome. Just letting people in.
Hello.
Hey there, Antonio. Just waiting for a few more people to arrive,
Hi, Helen.
and then we'll get going. Hey, hi Val.
Hello, Helen.
Val's our biggest fan. Val's been on every single tour.
Hi, Helen.
How are you? G'day, Rom. Good to see you again. You ready to go?
Do we have anybody from overseas? Anybody?
I believe we do.
Yeah.
I'm in
Tracy?
Seattle.
Oh.
I'm in
You're-
Seattle.
Oh, nice to see you, Tracy. Welcome.
Thanks.
Before we get started, I want to introduce you to my team. We've got Helda Fernandez, who is our technical director. Turn around there, Helda. G'day. We have Marcel Gleish, who is the owner of this beautiful boat we're traveling on today
Hey guys.
from Sydney Harbour Boat Tours. And we have Zane just over there as our skipper, who's making this whole thing possible today.
Good morning, everyone.
So welcome. So what we have here is a beautiful map. This is compliments of the Sydney Visitors Centre. This is their official map, and I think it gives you a really wonderful view of Sydney from the ocean to Parramatta. And as you can see, the whole length of Sydney Harbour from the ocean to Parramatta is 35 kilometres in distance. We're going past Walsh Bay. It's a series of 9 wharves that were used for over 100 years. Largely, it's an industrial wharf that was exporting goods, mostly wool. And now we have every single wharf has been gentrified and it's got a whole new look. When you go and have a look at Jetty 6, the ferries are pulling in right now, you'll see reference to the tank stream, which is to the fresh water supply. Well, do I need to do an introduction? Right under it. This is the Sydney Opera House. And I got to say, if you don't have time to watch a show or an opera, if there's nothing on while you're here in Sydney, I highly recommend you doing the backstage tour that starts at 7 a.m. until 9, and it will take you around all the back doors and onto stage and into the opera pit. It's a fabulous experience. Farm Cove gets its name because when the first fleet landed in Sydney, they needed to establish crops to keep the colony from starving to death. But what they discovered very quickly was that the quality of soil around Sydney Harbour was very poor due to the amount of sandstone. And if you can look up there where those people are walking, directly behind them you can see a rock wall, and that is an inscription on the wall there talking about the road that was built to allow Mrs. Macquarie to walk down through the gardens to this point where she would sit on a rock and wait for the ships to come in from England with news from home. A very exciting day for her because on that ship would have been anything she'd ordered from a previous ship going out, whether that be clothing, toiletries, magazines, anything connecting her to home, letters, most importantly. And she often would have been on her own because her husband, Lachlan, who was a very busy governor at the time, building this beautiful country that we have.
Hope everyone's been enjoying the tour. Don't forget to get a screenshot of the gallery view so that you can then share it on your social media or Facebook and Instagram and share ultimately Sydney. So we can get more beautiful people just like you on these amazing tours.
What we're doing right now is coming into one of my favourite bays, Lavender Bay. In about 4 weeks' time, we're going to be doing a tour called The Art of Sydney, which starts here. It starts in Lavender Bay and at a beautiful place called Wendy's Secret Garden. It's a very exciting tour, that one, and I'm very passionate about it because there are so many hidden gems in Sydney and we know where they are and we just want to expose them. And every week, even when things go back to somewhat normal, we want to continue doing these every Wednesday and just show people, I don't know, what happens on these tours. But Wendy's Secret Garden, you might know one of our most brilliant artists of all time in Australia, Brett Whiteley. He died in 1994 and his wife, Wendy, started to rejuvenate this part of the city.
Port Denison. How did they change it from an island? What's it now?
To a fort. They levelled it. And in 1840 there was a war going on between Russia and England, and Crimean War, thank you, Zane. And many fortifications were built around Sydney Harbour, including Port Denison. And so they levelled the island and put the fort on it then because there was this fear that there was going to be a Russian invasion.
Right.
Helen, Helen, would you happen to know who owns Wendy's Garden? Who is actually their proprietor? Who owns their land?
It's the state. It's actually the city of North Sydney Council is the owner of it. They're the ones who are in charge of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Helen, is Mary's Secret Garden open to the public?
All the time. There's no gates. There's no locks. It is completely open and everybody is very welcome to go there anytime. There is no time of the day that isn't beautiful there, and it's very special.
I didn't quite get the information about how many boats you have, so what is the capacity in terms of...
Oh, sorry. So we have 2 boats. This capacity, as Zane just said, is 10, but this boat is primarily private charter, and our other boats are up to 16 people normally, and that's a shared cruise. So we do 2.5-hour cruises in the morning, and we do an afternoon cruise in the afternoon, obviously. It's about 4 hours with lunch. So they're our 2 sort of flagship shared cruises.
Can I just add to that? So on our website, Ultimately Sydney and Sydney Harbour Boat Tours, we advertise a fantastic experience called The Best Day Ever. And it's the story of Sydney on our land content for the morning, and then you go on the afternoon lunch cruise with Mark. And then there's also the flip side of that, if you go on the morning coffee cruise with Mark, and then the afternoon Story of Sydney tour with us. And it really is the best day ever, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
That's right.
Do you ever stop for a swim on the harbour?
Yes.
Yes, we do, absolutely. So, in fact, in both tours, we have a little bit more time in the afternoon, which we provide tails. This boat's fantastic for swimming. We've got a swim platform. But even our shared tour, we have tails on the boat, and there's usually about 15 minutes on a very deserted beach that's only accessible by water. So there's generally no one else there.
I think, Helen, next time we do this virtually, maybe let's just go for a swim underwater.
I think that sounds like a mighty fine idea, Renata.
Yeah, but how about the sharks in the harbor?
Sharks?
Yeah.
I can answer that. So yeah, we have sharks in summer months. So when the water's warm, between about October till March, we get bull sharks that come down from Queensland, and they actually breed up in the upper reaches of the harbour. They're very active at night. During the day, a lot of people swim. Middle of the day, it's perfectly safe. We haven't, very, very infrequent any encounters with humans. And then winter times from now on until October, there's none. They leave. The water's a bit too cold for them. So half the year we do have sharks, but we go have to take them pretty safely.
Can I just say, Renata, I think it's very cool that you're sitting in your car watching this.
I really wanted to get there before 9, but I was, on the way, and I just pulled over in Roselle. So.
The fact that you can be anywhere in the world and experiencing Sydney
harbour like this is just very, very cool. And Tracy, thank you so much for joining us from Seattle.
Well, I am at Nazi, and my family lives in Ryde. So I was supposed to be there for Easter, but I couldn't make it.
Oh.
And I love cruising down the Parramatta River. That is really special if you can be on a night cruise. It's gorgeous.
I can't wait for you to get back here. Let's hope we can all be together soon. So thank you again for joining us. It's been such a wonderful experience. I don't know about you guys, but this has started my day off so beautifully.
Fantastic. Thanks, everyone.
I want to show you Helda, who made the filming possible. Thank you, Helda.
Hey, hello.
Hey.
And, well, we'll catch you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you,
You too.
too. Bye.
Great day.
Bye. Well done.
Thank you.